Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on the 99 Toyota RAV4. So this owner wants to know if it will pass smog. Let's go together, see if there is such a condition. So let's go get a simple scanner. And let's go and find OBD2 connector so we can scan the computer. As usually, it should be somewhere underneath the dashboard, right? What do you think? Oh, I see it right away. It's right here. So all I have to do, connect it to it, right? Just pay attention, the orientation of the connector. Boom, it's right here. Now, that will still not work. The next step is put a key in ignition and turn it on. Here we go, the key is there, it's still not on, so without starting it, right, 1, 2, bang, the ignition is on, and you can see to link it, I will just push this button. And let's see if the owner is lucky, and he can sell it without any repairs. Wow, look at that! Look at that, he was afraid. He said in the past there was some emission code and the previous mechanic said, oh, don't worry about it, it's emission related, there is no reason to deal with it. This is absolutely fantastic. Did you see that? So if I link it, alright, it will show me the IM readiness, which is for emissions, and if it goes green, that means the car is ready for emission. For some reason it's not cooperating. I'm not sure if the battery may be low because I didn't start it. So let's start up the vehicle, clutch in. Yeah, it's starting kind of slow, so I don't know if the battery was low. Now let's see again. Boom. We saw it already, right? It was green, but let's confirm that. It's connecting with the vehicle, and again, bang, green. None of the monitors is flashing. This is absolutely fantastic, and the owner will be super stoked. And we probably just saw another reason why to buy used Toyotas or why to stick with them. Apparently, Toyotas are self-healing, right? He said there was some code and it was years ago and the check engine light was on and it was something about catalytic converter or something, but few years later, look at that. We have perfect emissions and this Toyota is ready to pass smog. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very short video and stay tuned, I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, have a great day my friend.